Hey, what's up? Alright, so what I'm going to be doing today for you guys is I'm going to be showing you guys some socket adapters in quarter inch and 3/8 drive, mainly. So let's get on with it. I want to start it out with these adapters here. These are male to female or female to male adapters, and this is for the 3/8 drive, and this is just to actually just give it a an extra inch there, an extra inch, so you can get your thumb on there and give it some spinach. And you can just stick on a locking extension, and then you're good to go. And then on with the locking extension, you can put on this bad boy here, and then you're pretty much good to flex around on wherever you want. And this is made by Dean. It's I guess it does have a pin in there, but it's one of those. It's kind of like the Impact, but it's chrome. They're pretty neat. I like them a lot. So I also have it in quarter inch drive, and I think it's just a generic Chinese brand. It's a little bit different. Same design, but a little bit different. Actually, this is pinless. This is a pinless one, where this isn't. So that's pretty cool. I didn't realize that. Neato. Next up is they have screwdriver bits. You can always get screwdriver bits in a socket too. This is one of my favorite ones here. I have this ratchet here, which is a must-own ratchet. It's the THLF72, and I put in the 3/8 head drive, so it's a compact quarter inch drive ratchet. And so if I ever need to make it a quarter inch drive ratchet again, I have this adapter with a 3/8 female with a quarter inch male. You just put it on there. Oh, there we go. And bam, you got your quarter inch back. So definitely love this ratchet. This is a must-own ratchet for your collection. So the next adapter I have, I believe this is a Williams part, part number. Doesn't have anything on it, but that's who I got it from. And yeah, you just basically put this on your ratchet, like this bad boy here. Put it on there, and then you got a nice little adapter. Ba-bam. And that doesn't have any flex to it. Now another neat adapter I have is this one right here. And here's the 3/8 drive version of it. And they have a detent. It's made by Dean. And I actually, Dean has had these out for a while, and if I realize Snap-on has started producing these. So you can get these from Snap-on. Dean is a Japanese company. I have a few Japanese tools. They're pretty quality tools. Another must-have tool for the 1/4" Spectrum is going to be this one here. Just a little T-handle breaker bar that kind of moves around. It's great for tight places. This is a 1/4" male to a 3/8 female, or a 3/8 male. And that's the blue point part number. So you could just turn your 1/4" ratchet into a 3/8 ratchet. Just like that. It makes this little ratchet that much better. Because this is probably one of the most popular 1/4" snap-on ratchets out there, next to the locking flex head. Next up is the batteries out, but this is actually a wobble plus with a light. You turn this button and it turns the light on at the end, so you have a light on your socket. And it's for a 3/8 drive, and it's a Duralast. So you get a battery in that thing and start putting it back in action again. This one here, this is your 1/4" female, 3/8 male, ba-bam. And this so you don't have that bulk. And this is just a 1/4" to 1/4", so you just have your little spinner. It's very nice. You do this. You get a screwdriver. Very nice, ain't it? Gotta love these. And this is a 3/8 drive to 1/2". So you can have your little 3/8 drive snap-on 1/4" drive body and put your 3/8 drive there. Let me get that on there, and then ba-bam. And then you could take your spark plug sockets, and you can put that bad boy on there. And then you don't over torque it by using too big of a ratchet, and you just use a 1/4" ratchet. So yeah. Oh, my ratchet's binding up. Better get that checked out. Last but not least, I got this right here. This is a right part number. 3431 USA H10, whatever the H10 means. So I think that'll wrap it up. Actually, you know what? I got these too. These are made by Vessel, and these just go in your 1/4" driver. So like, let's flip this around. So there, you got a 21mm socket. And there's this one, 17mm. And this one, 19mm. And they do make them for the whole span. And that's Vessel, Japan. Alright, so we're going to wrap this up. If you're subscribed, I appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Appreciate those. And also, if you haven't already, please like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all on the next one. Deuces.